To connect printer with Honor 600, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter more connections, and then we can click on the print. When you enter it, you'll be able to click on the default print service, and then if you have your printer in the pairing mode, you'll be able to select it right here. So it's also very important to properly enter pairing mode on your printer. Just enter your printer model online, and then just type in how to enter pairing mode. When you're in the pairing mode, you should be able to find your printer on this list. You can click on it and then connect it. Alternatively, if your printer is in printing mode, pairing mode, sorry, and you still cannot see it right here, I would recommend to go back, click on add service, and then select one of the services from Google Play Store. Search for your specific printer service with its brand, and then download it. That way you will see that specific brand in the printing menu. So here I'm gonna download this one as just an example. When we have that printing service, we can go back, and then it should show up right here. You can click on it, and then the same way select your printer. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.